Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been a month since we've been okay. I'm putting
Raindrop Relaxation Aroma Diffuser Rain Cloud Humidifier. The relaxing sound give you a deep sleep and 7 different colors. Powerful mist mode for essential oils aroma diffusing. White noise with rain sound relaxing your body and give you deep sleep. It can be used as air humidifier. It is eco-friendly and energy-saving. The 7 different colors create a relaxing and comfortable atmosphere good for sleeping. There are 3 modes in this device: no rain, light rain, and heavy rain. Listening to rain sounds and ambient noise can create a calming and relaxing environment, promoting better sleep and reducing stress levels. Thank you so much for considering a raindrop relaxation product.